Packing list. Front interface display. Back interface display. First, connect the HDMI input/output and USB-C input ports on the back of the switch. Connect the USB and HDMI ports to the two hosts respectively. When using the extended mode and mirror mode, you need to connect two HDMI interfaces to the independent graphics card of the host. The USB 3.0 port and power port on the back can be used to connect the keyboard and mouse and power the device respectively. And the controller interface on the front can be used to connect a desktop controller. Extension mode. Mirror mode. Control with desktop controller. Mirror mode. Extension mode. Control using the source button. Mirror mode. Extension mode. Mirror mode.